Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited about today's look. I'm showing you guys this blue-green smoky eye. It's so perfect for spring. It's kind of pastel, but also bright and fun. And honestly, with everything that's going on in the world right now, I feel like a look like this is perfect to just help brighten up my day. And whenever I need a little pick-me-up and I'm sad or stressed, I always look to makeup and I always just pick out my colorful palettes and just sit down and start creating. It just helps brighten my day and make me a little bit happier. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is this light tan brown. With my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. This is just going to add a little bit of dimension through my crease area. Now going into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm picking up this teal shadow. I'm picking this shadow up on my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm first packing that onto my lid, just stopping that halfway. And then picking up a little bit more and packing that on again, and now I'm going to start pushing that into my crease. Again, about halfway, and then using just a really light hand, start blending that through the bottom part of my crease, not too high. I'm now picking up this lime green, and then picking up this shadow on my E25 blending brush. I'm going to start tapping that on the inner half of my lid, and then start blending that through the crease. And then if you go back and forth between the shadows, that'll help blend the shadows together. And then picking up the very first transition shade I applied and applying that at the very high point of my crease with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush to help blend everything out. Now picking up that transition shade on my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush and just running that along my lash line. I'm now picking up the blue and just tapping that on the outer half of my lower lash line. And then picking up that lime green and tapping that on the inner half of my lower lash line. Now going back into the BH Ultimate Matte Palette and picking up this white. Now you can definitely leave it like this if you want it more vibrant and bright, but I kind of want to mute it and tone it down just a little bit. So I'm picking up this shadow on a clean E25 blending brush and just tapping that over top of the entire look. This is just going to soften it and make it a little bit more pastel. I'm lightly pushing that onto the crease as well. And then doing the same thing on the lower lash line. Now picking up this white to green duochrome shadow, and then with my F70 concealer brush by Sigma, I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Carity 3D Foam Ink Lashes in Jamie, and that's the eye look done. I love how the eyes turned out. I love the color combination. The colors just make me so happy. So now for lips, I'm going to keep them nude, and I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Pure Hollywood. And that's it. This is the completed look of my pastel blue-green smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. This look is so perfect for spring and summer. Unfortunately, we can't be outside to enjoy the nice weather, but you can still rock this inside your house and feel like spring is with you. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Stay safe, everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!